Alright, so in this question we are asked to find x. So seeing two fractions like this, what you would do, multiply, cross multiply like this. Alright, so x times x is equal to x squared, and 9 times 9 squared is 9 to the power 1 times 9 to the power 2. Alright, so this is the same thing as x squared is equal to 9 to the power 3. Okay, but we know that 9 is equal to 3 to the power 2. So this can be x squared is equal to 3 to the power 2 times 3. Alright, so from the law of indices that says that x to the power a times b is equal to x to the power ab, this can become x squared is equal to this times this 3 to the power 6. Okay, so we can further break this down so that at least we have a square also to tally with what we have on the other side. So this becomes x squared is equal to 3 to the power 3 times 2, because of course this times this still gives us 6, right? So now this is squared and this is squared. So if we take square roots of both sides, this square here would cancel this and this would cancel this, and then we can now have x is equal to 3 raised to the power 3, and that is equal to 27. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.